Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on Traveler James and a very slow travel day in a scorching Salzburg. It is so hot here. I think it is about 31 degrees. The sun is shining, blue skies are out. But as you guys all know, I am not a person who gets on well with heat. So this is going to be a super slow travel day. I've got about 6 hours in Salzburg. I only have a couple of days left in Austria. I've been here for about a week and a half and it's my final couple of days and I really wanted to come for a day trip in Salzburg, but I am feeling super exhausted, so I thought I would do a super slow travel day here in Salzburg. I'd take you guys with me. We're going to be going to a couple of the best spots. We're going to be exploring the old town, and if you recognize the location behind me, I am currently in the Mirabell Gardens, which I'm going to show you guys more of in a little minute once we get into this video. Hi guys, are you new here on my page? My name is James. I show you great travel tips and destinations all around Europe, so make sure to leave a subscribe and make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you enjoy exploring Salzburg with me. You can also find my other social media profiles linked in the video description below. Right guys, let's get into the video. It is super hot, but I'm going to take you around Salzburg and we're going to see what cute little spots we can find and how many free locations we can find too. So guys, I am currently sitting in the Mirabell Gardens here in Salzburg, which is connected to the Mirabell Palace. I'm going to tell you more about it, but first of all I want to tell you it's the middle of August, or the beginning of August, and it is super busy here in Salzburg. I mean, the weather is super hot, but of course if you are visiting in the months of July and August during the summer holidays, do expect big crowds. I'm not the best with dealing with big crowds, but we're just going to deal with it today. As I said, this is a very slow travel day. It's a slow travel vlog. So we're going to beat the crowds. We're going to stay away from the crowds. We're going to find little quiet spots. And I also want to say as well, like I have been to Salzburg before, and it was in the winter quite a few years ago. I went to the Christmas markets here in Salzburg. They are absolutely beautiful. I really highly recommend them. They are literally so beautiful with the Festung in the background, but it does get super busy as well. So guys, the Mirabell Gardens actually have roots all the way back to the early 1600s. The palace, the Mirabell Schloss Mirabell, was actually built in 1610 and it's now classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site here in Salzburg, and the connecting gardens were also there since the original development of the castle or palace too. However, the gardens themselves were then redeveloped, sort of designed in the late 1600s, early 1700s, and you can now explore them today. What I absolutely love about this location is that the gardens are completely free to explore. You can just walk through them. There are so many photo opportunities and it is absolutely beautiful, especially in the spring and the summer. In full bloom, it is looking absolutely stunning, honestly guys. Also from the gardens you will have an amazing view onto the old town and the main castle here in Salzburg, which is really sort of towering over the city as well. So make sure to go check that out too. Right guys, let's explore a little bit more. I think we're going to head into the old town now and then see where we end up. What I absolutely forgot to mention, of course, me being me and being so forgetful, is the relevance of the Sound of Music here in Salzburg. You can actually head on Sound of Music tours. There used to be a Sound of Music museum too, but it no longer exists. But if you do like the Sound of Music, then make sure to head to the Mirabell Gardens, because the Sound of Music was actually partially filmed there. And you can explore, of course, the gardens, which we showed you before, or you can explore the inside of the palace too. I just wanted to give you guys a rundown about my opinion of Salzburg. Although I have had a really lovely day despite the heat, and my highlight definitely has to be my croissant and my iced latte in Julia's. What I have to say is that the city does feel super touristy. I'm getting similar vibes to when I was in Bruges, and I feel like my previous visit to Klagenfurt, if you haven't watched that video yet, it's going to be linked here, so make sure to go check it out. I feel like the city of Klagenfurt felt more authentic than Salzburg. Although Salzburg is totally beautiful, the architecture is amazing, what I absolutely have to say is that it does really feel like it's geared up for tourists. It's kind of styled up for tourists, and you really do get that feeling when you're exploring Salzburg, because the city is absolutely ridden with so many people, especially a lot of English people and a lot of Americans too. Right guys, so I've arrived at the last spot of the day which we're going to be viewing in Salzburg together, and this is the viewing platform on the Mönchsberg, which is an absolutely amazing viewing platform. You really need to come here, especially in the evening hours during golden hour. The way the light is cast onto the city is absolutely incredible. We're going to go take a look at the views together now. To get up to the Mönchsberg, what you can do is you can actually walk. It takes about half an hour. The hike is pretty steep. So what I recommend for you guys, especially on a hot day like today, is actually to take the elevator, which costs €3 one way up or €4.40 up and back down to the ground again. The views are absolutely beautiful from the top, and the only other location I would recommend you guys to head to explore the views in Salzburg is actually the Festung itself, but the views here are definitely matched with the views from the Festung in Salzburg, and it is cheaper to visit here than it is to go inside the castle. Thanks so much for watching the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed exploring Salzburg with me. Make sure to leave a subscribe on my channel if you enjoyed exploring the beautiful city, although it has been scorching hot today. And make sure to leave a thumbs up too if you like this one, guys. And make sure to stay tuned for next time when we explore a brand new travel destination together. Until then, see you next time. Bye.